Hey YouTube, how's it going guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys basically how to get free TikTok coins in this video. And this is going to be working for iOS and Android. I'm going to give you pretty much 100,000 TikTok coins for free, like you see on the screen. So let's go ahead and show you guys how to do this. Now, I'm going to go ahead and screen record so you guys can see it. I'm going to put it on the screen. So give it me 3, 2, 1, and should be up there now. So yes, guys, this is what we have here. Is that we're going to get you these free TikTok coins. So I'm going to show you my balance right here and show you I have 0. Then after this video, we're going to get a lot of TikTok coins. So to show you get the TikTok coins, you go to the little 3 dashes over there, you go to balance. And as you guys will see, it's just loading. I have 0 TikTok coins right now. I'm going to show you guys how to get heaps more. And just for an example, let's go ahead and see how much actually these TikTok coins cost to get. So we're going to recharge. And it says 16,500 is $400 for TikTok coins. So we're basically we're gonna get 100,000 here today. So that's almost like $2,000 worth of roughly about $2,000 worth of coins for free here today. You won't get banned or anything like that, and it's completely free. So I'm gonna show you guys now how to do this. All you're gonna need to do is make sure you have a phone, iOS or Android, Safari, Google Chrome, whatever, doesn't matter, and we can do this. So first of all, what I want you guys to do is so I want you guys to visit that website here for free, guys, and it's gonna work just super easy like that. So no, it's not too bad, it's pretty easy, and it shouldn't take you too long. So yeah. Okay, loading apps, that's all good. All right, so as you guys can see, it's gonna take you to this page right here. Now, this is gonna be normal, so go ahead and it's gonna say, it needs you to do 2 to 3 of these things to get it work, to get those TikTok coins to be added. So you could go ahead and get like at least 2 to 3 of them. Like I said, it's all for free. So don't you worry about that. And we go ahead and get these. It'll say like get, so you just go ahead and download them. And then that will add those coins to your TikTok account. So let's go ahead and go back to there. And yes, it won't be done yet until you've done this process. You will not get the coins or whatever added to your account without this process, guys. So yeah, just wait for it to finish and you should be all good. So once you guys have downloaded those 2 applications, all you got to do now is kind of open them up and complete them. Now you have to go ahead and just open them up. You can sign up for these if you don't get them added. You can do the trial and stuff, but it's not required. But once you guys have done this, all you simply want to do now is that should be the coins added. So what you want to do is go back into TikTok, and we're just going to let it refresh. Now this might take 5 minutes just for the service to come in, so come back a little bit later and your coins should start skyrocketing up. So I'll come back and see you guys soon. Alrighty guys, so yes, we've just got the coins started to add now, and as you guys can see, it started about 0 and we're skyrocketing up, and we should about to hit that 100,000 coins in TikTok, guys. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this little tutorial. If you need any help, drop a comment below. I can help you guys out. It's so easy, and thank you so much for watching. And there you go, 99,999 TikTok coins added to your balance for free in 2022. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.